Hey guys, it's Bindu. Welcome back to Hand and Sand channel. Today I'm gonna do a quick pour using blow dryer technique. For this I'm using African violet, Tutti Frutti pink, metallic spun gold, yellow and some white color. I have 9x12 canvas and I covered the back with masking tape to keep it clean. So let's go and start. So I'm adding few drops of silicone in each color to get the cells. So we have to mix that silicone with the color very well. So I took very less quantity of colors because I don't want to waste them, but these are very good enough for this blowing technique. And you can also see the color consistency. So now I'm going to cover the canvas with the white color as a base coat. First I'm pouring the violet color and then some gold, some yellow, violet again, some pink and gold, and you can also add the colors as you wish. But I'm going to mention all the colors what I used in the description box down below. I'm going to pour this white color around it to get a good flow while blowing. This is the fun part. You have to be very careful while blowing. I'm trying to blow these colors all the sides of this canvas. Oh wow, awesome. You can see how the colors are blending. So it's in a good shape for now. And I'm blowing this side as well. Look at this place. I will blow here without the dryer. Now I'm using this torch to get the more cells out. So here you can see how the yellow and pink spread everywhere, and you can also see the beautiful cells here. Now I'm covering the gaps and edges of this canvas to look more beautiful. Let's have a closer look so you can see how the cells pop out, and I love this colors blending. Oh. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share if you like this video, and please subscribe the channel. Thanks again. Have a good day.